So I just restarted my computer because it was acting up, and I get this screen about fixing stages, which I've never seen before. Usually you have this running circle and then it says restarting, but it's doing some build, looks like. What is that? Fixing the hard drive? Now it's scanning or repairing drive C. What's wrong with my drive C? Only thing I can think of is something acting is it's just that it's hot, and I've been having fan issues that would turn on, making it quite noisy. So it's doing a complete restart right now. Hopefully this will be successful. Now it says preparing automatic repair. What is going on? Diagnosing your PC. So now I get this screen, automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly. Press restart or advanced options. I'm gonna press restart. Alright, this time at least I was able to get to the log on screen. Oh, thank goodness. It worked. But then again, I did open some window. So maybe it was a fan problem. Have you guys ever encountered this error? See what I'm talking about? See it, the fan overworking? This is the Dell XPS 8930. I've always had this problem, especially with video editing. It heats up in terms on the fan because it's poor design with the mid tower. It needs better cooling fan configuration and also location.